So my VNS was installed in December of 2004, and it was at a pretty high setting, and um, the battery lasted for several years, and then by the time the battery died, um, my seizures were fairly well controlled with medication, and then probably also due to the fact that I had the VNS as well, because it's supposed to create new pathways in your brain to help stop seizures. So it's supposed to be like a deterrent from having seizures, as well as to shorten the seizures when you do have them. So I have not ever had it replaced. I do still have it in me, and I had asked about it at one point, and they said if it's not causing any issues, there's no reason to take it out, because there's always a risk of infection with surgery, and so it'll just stay there. If it's not causing any issues or anything at this point, all the tissues would have grown around it and everything, so they'll just leave it there, and it'll just be there forever, not doing anything.